We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We are going to use a suction cup to open a hole. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. Here we have the lens cover camera. Here we have the power and volume control flex. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Here we have the loudspeaker. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. We lift the charging port. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.